In this video, I'll share the first 5 steps to becoming rich. These steps are part of a carefully prepared 100-step method to turn you into a millionaire. So buckle up and get ready to turn your life around. I'm going to teach you what they should have in school. The steps I describe here take 5 minutes to explain and hard sweat to achieve. But you are working very hard these days to stay poor, so why not work hard to get rich? Watch right to the end of the video for the bonus 6th step. The first step to becoming rich is to want it so bad. Your desire must be strong enough to overcome all obstacles. This is why all good self-improvement programs focus on building a rock-solid intention in you. The quality all successful people have is never giving up. They are billionaires because they stuck to their task. Commit to getting rich by making your intention in your face 24/7. Set your phone's screensaver to a pile of cash. The second step to becoming rich is to budget. Complete a simple spreadsheet. I've attached a very basic one in the comments section. Set aside quiet time, gather your financial documents, and jot down the money in your accounts, debts you owe, monthly expenses, and income. Enter this information into a phone app that will sync with your bank account. Getting rich is a game, and the budget is the score. Display it on your phone app. Every day, check if you are winning or losing. The third step to becoming rich is defining your growth goal. Examine your budget from step 2. It will tell you if you're saving thousands a month, scraping by, or sinking into debt. If you're in debt, please seek expert financial advice to tackle it immediately. Then, follow the rest of this program's steps. If you're saving thousands monthly, you're primed for a rapid growth plan. Stay tuned for my upcoming video on side hustles that can bring in tens of thousands of dollars monthly. If you're breaking even or only saving a few hundred a month, watch my video on side hustles that bring in $1,000 a month. The fourth step is to get a good main job. A good main job does 3 things. It provides for your family, allows you to save each month, and leaves you with the energy and time to pursue your dreams of getting rich through a side hustle. Luckily, there's been a surge in what I'd call good main jobs, thanks to the rise of remote work. Working from home has a huge advantage. Those hours you used to spend commuting can now be devoted to your side hustle, if your job isn't a good one. I've got a video on remote jobs that can earn you up to $500,000 a year, plus a video on creating a killer LinkedIn profile and resume. Check out the links for those videos, and best of luck on your job hunt. Remember, it's wise to hold on to your current job until you've secured a better one. The 5th step to becoming rich is to choose the side hustle you want to do and then single-mindedly focus on executing your choice with all your being. Choose your first side hustle to have these characteristics. It's easy to do, automate, and scale to get you $1,000 a month. A while ago, I used to say make your side hustle something you love. But that is plain wrong. My next video details the best side hustles to earn you $1,000 a month. The bonus 6th step to becoming rich is to organize. The most precious commodity you have isn't money. It's what makes up your life. It's time. Organizing your time is critical to getting rich. Once a week, I plan all my activities, side hustle included, in as much detail as possible. This way, each spare moment goes straight into work instead of wondering what to do next. I use the Agile methodology to organize my time and projects. In particular, I use the Notion app on my phone to know what I need to do at any time of the day. Lastly, you will soon reach a stage where you need to organize your side hustles to delegate all you can. I will go into this in my organizational video. Now just take these actions. Go for it. Take the 6 steps to get rich I just outlined. Check out the videos I've linked in the comments for detailed guidance on those steps. I also have links to books and courses that I found helpful in my journey. Please note that I do get a percentage of the sales of these books on Amazon. Stay tuned for the next installment in the 100-step program to getting rich. I'll be releasing it soon. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.